absolutely winded. And for what?
We're about 1.5 kilometers in.
We have like what, 8, 10 kilometers to go? Sick and twisted. It's not even the worst part. We're not even at Little Beehive yet. I think so.
I'm so tired. I had to take off some layers because I was sweating. I'm still sweating.
So the thing about this game.
It's killer.
I'm dying. I think my last video was at this corner here.
We've covered a lot of distance, but we haven't covered a whole lot of altitude. Little Beehive's gonna be like crazy. It's gonna be so steep.
Let's rock and roll.
Now and forever.
I took a break literally like 10 steps away.
Wow. We should have a picture here today. An Nalgene full of instant oatmeal, brown sugar.
I think the squirrel smells it.
Can't have any. I put 4 packets of instant oatmeal in here. Over 500 calories worth of fuel.